Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel and welcome to my new craft room. I'm so excited to give you a first peek and also show you how I organize my flowers. Hopefully I can help one of you out there too. As usual, it's gonna be easy and on the budget. Are you ready? Let's get started. For the past 5 years, you've been watching me DIY right here in my kitchen nook. But last few months, my husband has sectioned off part of the basement and created a room for me. I'm so excited to finally share with you. Ta-da! Right here to the left, he built the shelves to store all my ribbons. And let me know if you would be interested to see how he did that, because I think I recorded overall instructions. For the floor, we picked the vinyl plank flooring because it's waterproof and also interlocking, so easy to install. The color I chose is Woodford Oak. I think it's great because it got all different shades of wood and you can't see dust on it. And for the focal wall, of course, I wanted the black and white buffalo check. Ta-da! Do you like it? It's coordinating with my logo. That's how I imagine my room to be one day. I thought I was going to buy the stencil, but my husband surprised me. One morning I woke up and the wall was done already. I'm glad he took a couple pictures so I can explain. First, he painted all the walls with a color called French silver. I picked that color because I knew that it would be perfect for the gray squares and we wouldn't have to paint that already. For the white, we just got the ultra pure white, and for the black, the cracked pepper. So as you can see, my husband just used the painter's tape, and he asked me what size of the checkers I want. So I told him 6 inches. So that's what he did. He taped it all off, first painted the white checks, and then the black ones. And just like that, I got my buffalo check wall. Well, not just like that. I know it was a lot of effort, but I thought that was so sweet that he did that for me. Must be love. What do you think? 20 years of marriage. And the door here on the side leads to the backyard. It was just plain brown door. I asked him to paint it white, and then for some interest I asked how hard would it be to make like a Z shape out of wood. He said, no, not hard at all. So that's what he did, and then I ordered a new lock from Amazon.com, and it came with a skeleton key that is so cute. So very little cost, and the old brown door got a whole new life. I love it now. And over here on the right side, my husband just built some open shelves for me where I can keep all my pots and vases, all the centerpiece supplies. And right next to it, I have a closet that's under the stairs, and it's pretty deep. So Andre built these roll-out shelves for me. I'll be able to store a lot of stuff here. Look at this. Large storage containers will fit here. And over here is my most prized possession, the play button that I got thanks to you, my besties. And now back to this wall. That's where I have my TV, and I'm going to store all my ribbons here. Hopefully they fit. I'm going to show you next time. And last important installation were the lights. My husband installed 7 recessed lights for me, and I picked these color changing and switched to the highest setting, 5000, and they're really amazing. Easy installation too because you just snap them in place. Even though my room is down in the basement, it's nice and bright. I love it. All right, my husband started bringing the boxes of flowers. What a mess, how embarrassing. But I think we came up with the least expensive flower organizing solution, so stick around. All you need is the Dollar Tree waste baskets to sort out your flowers, manila rope from Home Depot, as well as drywall anchors and some low voltage staples. This is how they look. And my husband installed the first one. Let me show you how he did that. So first you are going to measure where you are going to insert your anchor in the wall. You gotta leave enough room from the ceiling to insert your flower bucket, right? And that's where you make a hole with your screwdriver. If you happen to hit the beam, then it's a different story. You grab your drill and you don't need the anchor. We got the anchors because we knew it's unlikely we're gonna hit the beam where we need it. Then you're gonna take your low volt staple, put the screw in, and you are going to drill it in the wall now. Just like so. And that's gonna hold your rope in place. Originally, we installed our staples a foot apart and measure our rope at 18 inches and then put it back in that staple at 12 inches, right? So there's enough rope to go around the bucket. And then we secured the rope in place. Tighten it up so it stays in place. This is the whole trick to keep your bucket hanging and in place. Look at that. Is that a genius, inexpensive idea or what? Unfortunately, I can't take credit for it. I just complained that I don't know how to hang these, and he came up with the solution. And as you can see, buckets fit nicely one next to another. But as I started sorting out my flowers, it turned out that I had much more than I even knew, and my buckets got so full and big, I realized that the buckets cannot be so close together. I'll show you in a minute. But first about the sorting. As you can see, I'm sorting by colors, not by seasons, because I do use different seasons flowers throughout the year, so I thought sorting by color will be best. Some stems are longer than others, so the trick is to trim them right away. Otherwise, they'll be falling out of your basket, sticking out. You don't need that. I'll never use those long stems anyway, unless it would be some specific project. And if you have a lot of greenery, more than one bucket, you want to sort it out too, by different types and colors and shades of green, silver greens and the yellow greens and the grasses, etc., right? So I haven't done this in years, so it felt really good, and I got to see what I really have. And next time when I see something cute, I'll think twice before I buy it. And I'm waiting to hear from you. What are some of your organization tricks? Are you an organized person? How do you stay tidy? Yeah, looking at all these full buckets, I kind of feel like I might have a problem. I also have a bucket of red, white, and blue, and also some fall stems that I'm going to put away for now. I won't need it anytime soon. So like I mentioned, once I saw how full these buckets are, I realized we need to space them out more. So as you can see, we pulled out every other staple and extended the rope to 26 inches long, and that was perfect. So if you plan to keep your buckets full like mine, give yourself more room. Done, and then I thought maybe we could add the second row in between the buckets, just like that. That would save us some space. So we measure about 18 inches, 19 inches from the top staple, mark it down, and then again you make the 2 holes for the anchors, insert the anchors, six inches, insert it in the second staple, and secure. Rope doesn't slide out. My husband decided to double up on the staples at each end and then cut off the rope and secure the end. Don't try to burn the natural fibers, just use a piece of tape. Next, we repeated exact same steps in the third row. fourth row of buckets on the floor. And tell me, does it make your heart happy like mine? It feels so good, so I highly recommend it. If you recreate it, please make sure you tag me and let me know. I even put some extra empty buckets on the sides, just in case I bring something home, it stays in place. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please press thumbs up. And also, if you're not my bestie yet, go ahead, press the red button, become my bestie. That way we're gonna be in touch. Tweety, take your tail off my camera. All right, see you next time, my besties. Take care. Bye-bye. Wait a minute, what is this? Tweety, did you just poop on my brand new floor here? What? This is gonna be your last visit here. I'm glad it blends in though. What? My shoe too? No, that's it. We are done.